You searched how to buy shares of Voyager Technologies Inc., a tech company focused on advanced navigation and communications for maritime and aerospace applications. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VOYG. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker VOYG to find the listing. Select the result that shows Voyager Technologies Inc. to ensure you are viewing the correct stock. On the asset page, read the brief company profile and check the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker VOYG to make sure it is the right stock. To place an order, choose Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After an order is filled, your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to review the platform.